Hello friends, peace be upon you. Friends, AIarty Image Enhancer is a brand new and powerful AI image enhancer in this growing field to help improve image quality by upscaling resolution, removing noise, eliminating blur, or depixelating. It has 3 models to enhance image quality. This image enhancer also boasts 3 distinct AI modes, each designed to tackle specific image issues. Let's get started. You can open one or more images here. After the image is opened, the first model will automatically start working on it. And as I mentioned, he has 3 different models to scale up. Upscale the image up to 800%. And then you can scale the image up to 1K, 2K, 4K, and 8K. So let's see how this software works on images. When you open an image, you get 3 models on the right side. The first model is Gan V2. Gan V2, also known as Style Gan V2. Generative model designed for computer vision and image manipulation. It's a type of generative adversarial network, GAN, that creates realistic images by generating synthetic data that mimics the distribution of real-world images. Now you can see the clear difference. The left side is before and the right side after. And you will see a very clear difference. As you can guess from the lips, we have scaled this image up to 2x. As I mentioned earlier, it has image upscaling from 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, and then 1K, 2K, 4K, 8K. Or a custom resolution of the image can also be set. So this model is Gan V2. And now we look at his second model to see what it does. I have selected another image. And now I'll select Smooth Diff V2. Smooth diffusion models, particularly version 2, have gained significant attention in the field of image processing and computer vision. These models utilize a variation of the diffusion-based method, where noise is progressively reduced to produce a high-quality image. When applied to pictures, Smooth Diff V2 can effectively remove noise, sharpen details, and enhance overall image clarity. And now you see the difference here. You will see a clear difference in the image on the left and right side. Here you can see how clear the difference is. And then the third model is the RealPhoto V3. RealPhoto V3 model is a cutting-edge AI-powered image processing technology developed by Meta AI. When applied to pictures, this model can enhance and restore real-world photographs by removing noise, correcting colors, and improving overall image quality. And now you look at this image on the left and look at the right. And it also has 2-pass processing. 2-pass processing is a technique used in digital image processing software to improve the quality of images. The process involves 2 passes or iterations of image processing, where the first pass enhances the brightness and contrast, and the second pass refines the details and reduces noise. It has the same 3 models in 2-pass processing. Click on RealPhoto V2 to process image again. It will do 2-pass processing here. And this will make the image clearer and enhance. This makes the image bigger as well as clearer. Now you can see the difference before and after. In the same way we selected Smooth Diff V2 in this image. And also in the 2-pass we will select Smooth Diff V2. and then click on Process. Now you will see the clear difference of two-pass processing. You will see that the image is more clear and enhanced. And it has also upscaled the image. This software is small in size and works on AI. And now look at this before and after image. Using two-pass processing made the image clearer. Let's see by selecting the first image and performing two-pass processing on it. This will generate more image details. And this makes the features of the image more clear. Now, if you look at the image, it has also created the skin texture here. You can see that the image on the left is blurred while the image on the right is sharp. If there is any prompt on the image, you can also check it here. Check, keep the prompt and click on View. This image has no prompt, so no prompt is visible. If you want to add any text here, you can do that too. You can add any text you want here, and place this text wherever you want in the image. You can change the font of this text. And you can also change the color of this text. And then there is now the export settings. It has PNG 8 bits and PNG 16 bits and JPG format here. Suppose we want to save this image in JPG format. I remove the text here for now. And click on Browse and select the folder where you want to save the image. When you click on Run, your images will start exporting. And it will be saved in your destination folder. It will save all 3 images in the destination folder after processing. So you can view the images after they are saved. Images have become much clearer as well as being scaled up. So in this software, if you click on Download all models here, this will download all the models as I have already done. If you use the model directly from here, it will be temporarily applied to the image. And every time on every image that model will be temporarily downloaded. If you download all the models from here, they will be downloaded in the AIarty Image Enhancer folder. You can check the settings of this software. If you click on About, you can see that this software is AIarty Image Enhancer. And all its details are written here. This is a small software, check its size up. And you can see that the size of this file is 135 megabytes. 135 megabytes KO software if giving you so much perfection. So why do we need to download big software? You can also view the up image from the navigator. I am sure you will like this video. And you will love this software too. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.